Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vending machine with no redstone. Okay, just creating the world. Okay, let this load. Come on. Come on, go. What you're gonna need is you're gonna wanna get some iron blocks, and what you're gonna do is do 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more. 5 here and then 4 down. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just so it's a 5 by 4 square, and then on this side dig out 3, then get the iron blocks. How do I? Okay, get the iron blocks and put them like this. And then do it all around. I'm just gonna have a doorway there so I can reset the machine when it needs resetting. So do it all the way around. Once it's like that, you don't need this hole. Once it's like that, do it 4 more times. So in total there should be 5. Okay, and so now we've got 2. So, and just about got 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So make sure the iron blocks are 5 blocks high. Okay, and once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is get some slabs, any kind. I'm just going to get a stone slab. And then what you're going to want to do is grab some water. And then make sure, then put it down like that. Make sure you put it on the second block, not the first, otherwise it will flood the place. And then go back to your blocks of irons and go to your block of iron, then go like that, and then put 1 down there, but then put 3 down there until it reaches here. Then what you're going to want to do, actually I forgot to do that. I'll quickly add in a door. I'll add in this door. Yes, this is a different mod. you don't need a mod for this. That's just from another mod, Molasses Stores. And so once you've done that, get your blocks of iron and go like that. So there's one hole left, and then go like that. So if you go in here, it should be like that. Oh, forgot something. Okay. Over here, when you're doing the blocks, the third block in, you're going to go like that. Grab your slabs and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2. So you should have something like that. So then when you go inside, you can see out. And then once you've done that, you're going to destroy the second block. Not the first, the second. Get some sand. And some cactus. And some cacti. Oh, wrong one. Get some cactus. Oh, sorry. I just haven't made this in a little while. And then go like that. Then get a sign. And put that there. Make sure it's just a normal sign. And then put that there and that there. And until it looks like that, and then you're going to want to make it go like that, and then you're going to want to go like that, and then that, and then that, and one in front, and whatever you want to put it up here. And then last but not least, just fill in the roof and you're basically done. It's pretty easy. Okay, so say you wanted people to put gravel in to get signs, because it actually gives you signs, it doesn't give... Oh! That reminded me. Before you put in the water, get ice. And then, so I'm quickly gonna block up the water. And then these 3 blocks, you're gonna wanna put ice on. And that one. Okay. Then, say when you wanted people to, say you wanted people to put gravel in here, they'll put gravel in here, and then signs would come out here. See? Either 1, 2, or 3 signs, and but then to reset it. But then to reset it, what you're gonna... So to reset it, all you need to do is put that cactus there. Put that sign there, that sign there, that sign there. And then, again, put that there. And that there. And then just put the sand in and you're done. To reset it, all you need to do is do that sign bit. around. Okay, I hope you liked the tutorial. I'll see you on the next episode. Oh, actually, if you want people to put sand or gravel in here, just type in place gravel here to get sign signs, and then just do an arrow. How can I do an arrow? Oh, what could I do for that? Okay, I'll just do that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, bye. Bye.